Thank you, by the way, for being the, obviously in a group like this, you need like someone that's speaking up and being like a leader. So thank you for being that person if no one said it yet. Because obviously it can be hard because obviously people will get offended.
I took that risk, I think. People may or may not take it as a good thing. They may take it as a bad thing. I took that risk because we deserve to win, all of us. I mean,
No, of course. I just really wanted to.
We're gonna do it.
Sa loob ng bahay, usapan pa din ang pagkatulog ni Gino.
Nagpapasalamat ako na nangyari yun. Kasi parang yung
naging
isip
aware.
natin,
Wake-up call natin.
naging aware na tayo lahat yung para magising tayo.
Kaya yan yung sinasabi na maraming temptation talaga.
Nakakatuwa itong nangyari kasi instead na magalit tayo na may nangyari
Mas
kay
natuto.
Gino.
Mas natuto
Hindi,
tayo.
alam natin ngayon natin nakikita na nagkakaintindihan tayong lahat.
Maya-maya ay dumating na ang pinag-uusapan na si Gino.
Hey, are you okay?
May surprise.
No, wala nang feeling
Surprise kami sa'yo. Charot.
Hindi, wala nang feeling bad. Hindi na feeling down yung mo. Hindi ko yung doon yung plano, magdagdag, hindi magbawas ng oras. Magdagdag ng tension. At okay. Sabihin natin okay nangyari kasi parang warning. Thank you. Tagumpay si Kuya, hindi makapagbawas ng malaki dito. Kung hindi magkalamat yung band nating binuo. Yung kontrahan na tayo ng ideya, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan.
Mag-unite.
May tampuhan ba?
Kung may tampuhan, pag-usapan na dito na.
Hindi tayo nagtatalo dito, nagbibigay tayo ng
Yun sana.
Ang task talaga natin is to be patient. Yun yung task.
Ano?
Give room for mistakes ng bawat isa dahil
Yes.
pagod.
Yung lang way ko of saying that is to put everyone in their minds na we have to win. Para lang may emphasis. Para lang, kasi parang nawawala tayo doon sa mindset na kasi nga pagod na tayong lahat.
Oh, yun.
I just made that point na we have to win this task.
We all want the same thing to happen.
Yes,
We all want to win.
We're on the same
It's
page,
just how
guys.
we react on things and how we solve the problem.
Yung pressured na sinasabi, ma-pressure tayo na mas pag-igihan natin, ma-pressure tayo na let's have the strong will to stay awake, ma-pressure tayo na para sa ating lahat to.
Sa kitchen area, minabuting kausapin ni Sky ang task leader na si Argel.
Baka na-feel nyo na I'm taking over.
Oo, boy. Hindi, boy. Hindi naman. Para naman din sa atin lahat to eh. Laruin natin to. Laruin natin to, boy. Kaya natin manalo, di ba? Laruin natin to, boy.
Si Frankie kinausap ang nababahalang si Sky.
Thank you, by the way, for being the, obviously in a group like this, you need like someone that's speaking up and being like a leader. So thank you for being that person if no one said it yet. Because obviously it can be hard because obviously people will get offended.
I took that risk, I think. People may or may not take it as a good thing. They may take it as a bad thing. I took that risk because we deserve to win, all of us. I mean,
No, of course. I just really wanted to.
We're gonna do it. We're like always halfway, man. And it's pretty much because of you. You've been driving it.
of course, at the back of my mind, I could think of people may not like it.
No,
So that,
no, you really you bring this whole team together. Like it's the truth. Like I really appreciate it. And obviously, if no one had stepped up like that, what would we be doing? You know?
No cry. Uy,
Oo. Kasi, pinayak ako eh. Stop guy. Okay?
Yeah, we got this.
Kaya natin to.
Nakita ko, kausap mo yung ibang mga housemates mo. Ano bang pinanggagalingan nito? Gusto lang kitang mas maintindihan.
Just, di ko po alam, parang naging innate or natural na po sa akin na kahit ano pong gawin, maliit man pong bagay or malaki, gusto ko po ibigay po yung lahat para po sa huli, wala pong pagsisisihan na kahit matalo, ginawa po namin yung best.
Sky, may pagkakataon ba sa buhay mo na ikaw ay nag-fail?
Yung pong nung high school, kasi po ay ang gusto ko po talaga noon ay maging doctor, maging surgeon, pero di po ako pumasa ng entrance exam ko po para sa pre-med ko pong gusto. I was so devastated, what did I do wrong? Ganun po. And then, na-realize ko po na, yun nga po, hindi ko po talaga kontrolado yung mga bagay. At yung mga failures ko po na yung mga yon, yung mga rejections na mga yon, they would bring me somewhere else.
Sa gitna ng lahat ng mga pangyayari at sa lahat ng mga nasabi mo, mas naiintindihan ko kung saan ka nagagaling. Payo ko lang sa iyo, Sky, do your best. But take it easy also. Huwag mong buhatin ang bigat ng buong mundo sa balikat mo.
Apo.
Hindi mo yan responsibilidad. Sa isang banda, hindi lang sa iyo nakasalalay ang pagkapanalo o pagkabigo ng inyong grupo. At sa palagay ko, naiintindihan din yan ng iyong mga housemates.
Thank you po, Kuya, sa advice.